Before I get started, I just want to remind you, if you'd be so kind, to hit that like and subscribe button. Check out my other videos at Perrodin, the Project Specialist. Today we did a little Christmas shopping this morning. I got all that taken care of. We brought some wood up, and now I'm getting ready. I sharpened the chain on the steel here and grabbed the trimmers, the pruners. Dave is supposed to be here shortly with the Argo, and we're going to go out and work on part of a snowmobile trail tonight. Dave and I are out with the Argo. We're on the 86 trail. We got the packer on the back, and we're rolling this trail down through the swamp here tonight, getting it ready for hoping it freezes all up nice and we can get the groomers through it. That's our project tonight. This is what it looks like after we packed it down. We're all the way in one direction, now we're headed back the other way. Brisk evening here. Dave and I are dressed. We're doing just fine. Enjoying the kind of hit the fun part of the evening here. If it isn't that steady, that's because we're going across we're going across the plowed field here, basically, in the Argo. Herman's field. Herman's got to do a little bit better at smoothing than he does out in the fall. And Dave already lost one set of teeth, and I'm working on a set, but yep. You know, we're below zero. It's not really that bad out here tonight. Kind of nice to be out here with Dave. I'm having fun. This is what you do in northern Wisconsin in the winter. You know, people don't realize the work that goes into getting the trails ready to go, and so everyone can ride and enjoy the winter. How many hours, Dave, does the club put in beforehand usually? Any idea?
Countless.
A lot of hours, yep. I like to do it because I ride, so it's a way of giving back. The reason we pack these down, just so you know, is we go over this and pack it down like that, then that snow is an insulating blanket, and what's underneath will freeze. We want to get that ground good and froze before we take the groomer over it, and before we get snowmobiles out here and get them stuck. So that's why we're out here packing this down. Here we go. Dave's got us, you can see, we got swamp grass in here, and it's like, it's really kind of hard to figure out where we're supposed to go, but Dave's been doing this for years, so I'm going to trust Dave and take us through here, Dave. Hoping that tree, when I first got sight of it, wasn't laying across the trail in the swamp. We're good.